Are you ready to begin your journey to a more self-sufficient and resilient life? Hey there, I'm Josh Thomas from Homesteading Family and one of the founders of the School of Traditional Skills, and I have an exciting opportunity to share with you. Starting on September 12th to the 15th, you can join me for a free 4-day virtual event called the Traditional Skills Summit. This event is for folks like you who want to increase their knowledge and skills about healthy and resilient living. This is the only virtual conference where these 12 experts will generously share their time and expertise to help you build a simpler, more self-sufficient life. I'll be hosting, and you'll learn from respected experts like Joel Salatin, Sally Fallon Morell, Melissa K. Norris, my wife, Carolyn Thomas, my good friend Justin Rhodes, and quite a few more. Join us online from September 12th to the 15th. You're gonna learn a ton, and you're gonna have a great time. So click the link below to register now.